So this third product naman guys that I'd like to recommend, this is a Korean sunscreen but made for Philippine weather. So this is the Blox Cool Down Hydrolyte Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA+++++. Ito yung orange na variant na binebenta nila mga kapatids. And yes, this is another John Angelo made me buy this kasi after watching his TikTok video and of course, doing some research guys, I learned na this uses the most advanced, stable, and strong na sunscreen filters compared sa mga typical na sunscreen na binebenta sa drugstore market mga kapatid. So, hindi ko na napigilan na i-check out itong product na to. So, this is a chemical type na sunscreen but of course, still broad spectrum mga kapatids. To be exact guys, this contains 5 sunscreen filters. Ilalagay ko po dito sa screen for your reference. Ayan. Ang itsura naman po ng product na to ay para siyang lotion pero when you blend it, it's very fast absorbing, it's very lightweight, wala po siyang white cast, tapos ang finish niya ay semi-matte, so it's very nice for those na merong oily skin. This can be used under makeup guys, and pwedeng gamitin ng both adults and teenagers. This is not fragrance-free, but the scent is very mild, hindi disturbing at all. This is non-comedogenic, dermatologically tested, this is reef-safe, so kung beach po kayo, pwede nyo pong dalhin po itong sunscreen na to. This is priced for around 379 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, for 30 ml. Pero meron din silang 50 ml na variant ito. Pero for me guys kahit ang 30 ml nito ay nasa around 379, sulit na siya for the performance you are getting. So overall guys, I can highly recommend this sunscreen to those na merong oily, pawisin, or if you have upcoming na outdoor activities. Kasi nabasa ko na itong sunscreen na to, this is clinically tested talaga that helps soothe and cool down heated skin. So napaka-perfect sa mainit na panahon. So if you have upcoming na pickleball or swimming activities, ganyan, try to consider guys na gamitin itong sunscreen na to.